Thank you for joining me in our yoga for lower back pain relief. My name is Foy and welcome to our practice. And this practice is set to relieve any lower back pain which may be caused by several issues, maybe sitting down for long or maybe just incorrectly picking up stuff or just life in general. So just go ahead and do the sequence whenever you feel any pain coming up, and remember to take it at your own pace. Don't rush. For this one, we'll need a blanket and a strap. You can use a towel or a tie. And let's begin laying on our backs, so all the way down on the mat. Walk your feet in towards your glutes. Let your knees point up towards the sky. Walk your shoulders out and close your eyes and focus on the breath. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and one more just like that. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Bring your lips together. Go ahead and completely relax. Continue breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Allowing your lower back to fully relax, so we're not holding any tension. Bring your mind to your breath. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to the breath. Usually when we're doing especially restorative practices or practices that are a little slower, the mind tends to wander a lot. So just be mindful of that, and every time your mind begins to wander, because we've held a pose for a little bit, go ahead and bring it back to the breath and just stay in the present moment and observe the body. Nice. So keep breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Nice work. With each exhale, relaxing everything. Drawing your right knee in towards your chest, holding onto the knee, extending your left leg down on the mat. Bring your nose up to your knee, squeeze and flex your feet in. Deep breath in, exhale, relax your head down, release your right leg. Bring your left knee in towards your chest, deep breath in, exhale, nose up towards the knee, squeezing in, good. Extending your right leg out on the mat. Deep breath, exhale, relax down. So let's move a few more times. So squeezing your right knee in, nose up towards your knee, exhale, good job. Deep breath with everything on the mat, exhale out to the center, and inhale down, exhale, right knee in, good, squeezing in. Try not to use your neck, you want to use just your belly muscles. As you inhale, extend, exhale, left knee comes in, good. As we inhale, we extend. Reach your hands up and back behind you, full body stretch, point your toes forward. Reach your hands back. Keep breathing, good stretch. And as you exhale, bring your hands up and bring them down next to your hips, palms are facing down. Walk your feet in and bring the bottoms of your feet together. Allow your knees to fall open to the sides. Go ahead and bring your hands onto your inner thighs. Good. So we'll work with the lower back, just stretching and relieving any pressure in the lower back and in the hip flexors. Nice. Now we'll take a deep breath. Now as we inhale, pushing your hands into your thighs and your thighs into your hands. So like you're squeezing your knees up and pushing into the thighs. So you'll create a lot of tension here. So as you inhale, squeezing, you'll feel the tension build up in the legs, in the hip flexors, in the lower back. Exhale, release everything. 4 more times. As we inhale again, squeeze everything, squeezing up, and exhale, relax and release any tension. Nice. As we inhale again, squeezing, lifting, breathing, and as you exhale, relax. Good, nice work. 2 more. Inhale, squeeze, lift, and exhale, relax again. And 1 more. Good. Squeeze and lift and lift and lift. Lift and breathe. Exhale, relax. Good. Now go ahead and bring your hands onto your belly, or you can rest them beside your hips. Let's take a few deep breaths here. Just enjoying the sense of openness in the hips. Completely exhale, and then walk your knees in towards each other. Bring your knees up, walk your shoulders in, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, squeeze up to bridge pose. So pushing your feet into the floor and your hands into the floor. Keep breathing, squeezing up, keep breathing. Deep breath in, keep squeezing up, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your knees towards each other. Now imagine you have a block in between your knees and you're squeezing the block without moving your feet. Good. Deep breath in, exhale, relax everything down. So from your upper back, middle back, and to the lower back, finding your way up to a seated position. Keeping your right knee bent, hold on to the bottom of your right foot with your hands. Keep your spine long and your belly on your right thigh. Allow your left knee to drop down to the side. And take a deep breath in, lengthen through the spine, and as you exhale, draw your belly in and lengthen. 1 more big breath in, and as you exhale, relax and transition to the other side. So keeping your left knee bent, hold on to the bottom of your left foot with your hands. Lengthen through the belly as the left side of your body comes onto your thigh. Allow your right knee to drop out to the sides, kind of like in a half butterfly pose. Take a deep breath in, lengthen through the spine, and as you exhale, relax the shoulders and release. Good job. Finding your way back onto the mat. So laying down on the mat, drawing your right knee in towards your chest. We'll come for a supine twist. Go ahead and use your left hand to draw your right knee over to the left side, extending your right hand out to the side, palm is facing up. Let your eyes go to the right hand, and let your left hand keep holding your right knee down, and breathe here, keeping your shoulders relaxed. With each exhale, allow yourself to fully relax. Allow the shoulders to relax. Allow everything to release down onto the mat. Maybe even keep your eyes closed and focus just on the breath. Take a deep breath, bring your head back to the center, and then release your knees, and we'll go over to the other side. Inhale, draw your left knee in towards your chest, extending your right leg out on the mat. Using your right hand, draw your left knee over to the right side, extending your left hand out to the side, palm facing up or down, and let your eyes follow your hand, and keep breathing. Using your right knee to hold your left knee down. Nice. Keep breathing. Deep breaths. With each exhale, allow the shoulders to completely relax, so no tension. Jaw is soft. And slowly come back to the center. Bring your head fast back to the center, knee back up, and as you exhale, drop your feet down. And go ahead and reach for your strap and loop the strap round the ball of your right foot and extend your leg up towards the sky. Now using the strap to get a good stretch in the back of the leg and into the lower back. Nice work. And you can bend your elbows, so walk your strap to where is most comfortable for your hands. And close your eyes and just focus on the breath. And your left leg, keep your left knee bent. Deep breath in, exhale, release. Right leg down. We'll do the same thing on the left side. So strap over the ball of the foot, or actually on the arch of the foot, and then flex your toes in. Breathe. Keep breathing. One more big breath. And as you exhale, releasing and bringing the knee back to the center. Nice work. And go ahead and bring your knees in towards your chest. Flex your toes in. Just squeeze your knees in towards your chest. Deep breath. And as you exhale, lift your nose up towards your knees. Use your core. Try not to use your neck. Exhale, relax down. Nice work. Remember, if there's any pain throughout the practice, back off at any time. Slowly find your way up to the hands and knees. Nice. Coming to tabletop. So wrist directly underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. As you inhale, slightly bend your elbows, scoop yourself up. Coming to cow. And as you exhale, round your back. Tuck your tailbone, tuck your chin. Releasing your head and neck. Good. As you inhale, bend your elbows, slowly lifting up. And as you exhale, round your back. Tuck your tailbone, tuck your chin. Good. Let's move a few more times with the breath in through the nose, squeezing your shoulder blades, rounding the back as we exhale. Nice work. Allowing the spine to get nice and supple, and also stretching the lower back, strengthening the core muscles as well. So lots of things going on. Let's move maybe 2 times, and then we'll find ourselves in a neutral position. Nice. Send your right leg back behind you, and then your left hand will come forward, finding your spinal balance. So really pull your belly in here. Push into the floor with that right hand and with the left knee. Deep breath. Exhale, hand down, knee down. Let's go to the other side. Left leg stretches back, and then your right hand will follow forward. Keep breathing again. Squeeze your belly in. It'll help you with the balance, especially if you feel those wobbles. Deep breath here. Exhale, hand down, knee down. Good job. Nice work. And then slowly coming down onto the stomach. Nice. And bring your forearms in front of you. Let your thumbs touch and let your index finger touch. So forming a little like that triangle. Pushing the tops of the feet into the floor. Pushing the forearms into the floor. Squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other. Relax your shoulders down. Breathe here. Good. Sphinx pose. One more breath. You can either stay here if this is comfortable for you, or you can bring your hands underneath your shoulders and you can come up to Cobra, which just needs a little more intensity. So you can move there if you feel comfortable. Deep breath in, exhale, relax down. Bring your chin down to the mat. Bring your hands underneath your lower belly, and then lift your right foot up, pointing your toes back. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift your left foot up. Good. Pointing back, exhale down. Good. Inhaling, right leg up. Good. Pointing back, exhale down. Nice work. Chin is still down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, left leg down. Good job. Nice work. Now both feet if you're comfortable, or you can continue to move your leg one by one. So whatever feels good. Deep breath in. Exhale, walk your hands underneath your shoulders and we'll push to child's pose. So open your knees wide. Bring your big toes to touch behind you. Drop your hips to your heels and let your forehead come down on the mat. Extend your hands forward. Now if your hands are tired, you can always draw them back towards the back of the room and let them rest, palms facing up, relaxing your shoulders, your elbows, and let everything release here. Take deep breaths, stretching out the lower back. Completely relax. Maybe your eyes are closed. One more big breath. And slowly come up. And we'll find ourselves seated on the mat. So transitioning back onto our backs. So slowly lowering down. Bring your right ankle over your left knee. Bring your hands through the hole. Hold on to the back of your left thigh and pull your legs in. Keep breathing. Relax your shoulders down. So no tension. Don't lift your head and neck. Just stay here. Getting a good stretch in the hip. Good. Keep breathing. Take one more big breath. Exhale, release down. And then we'll switch sides. So left ankle comes over the right knee. Allowing your left knee to drop out to the side. And then hands behind your right thigh. Pull the legs in. Good job. Keep your shoulders and head relaxed down on the mat. You can flex your toes. Breathe here. This is one of the best stretches you can do for your lower back. And releasing down on the mat. Bring your hands out to airplane arms. Bring your knees up and drop your knees over to the right side and let your eyes come to the left. So extending your left hand out to the side. So into a twist. Now if your knees have a tendency to lift, you can always use that right hand to hold the knees down. And with each exhale, just relax. Relax. We hold a lot of tension, especially in poses like these. And then slowly bring your knees back up. We'll go to the other side. So knees will drop to the left. Eyes will go to the right. Left hand can hold the knees down or not, whatever feels good. Again, relax. Relax with the breath. Release any tension. Nice work. Observe yourself. Nice. And slowly take your time. Let's find our way back up to the center. Bring your knees up. And as you exhale, slowly come up. And we'll go ahead and grab our blanket. So we'll just roll the blanket up into a comfortable roll that you can place underneath your knees. So your knees are raised. And then go ahead and relax down on the mat. So this kind of helps to relieve any tension in the lower back, especially if you're in any pain. You really want to use the blanket the whole time. But just observe yourself. At some point, if you feel you need to move the blanket and just rest like that, as long as there's no pain in the lower back, then go ahead and do that. Or if you have really like a lot of pain, you want to walk your feet in and rest with your knees pointing up towards the sky, so that relieves any tension in the lower back. Nice work. So finding your most comfortable place, closing the eyes, and our palms are facing up, so no tension. Shake out your jaw and go ahead and take a deep breath in and completely exhale. And we'll take another deep breath in, completely exhale through the mouth, and we'll take one more big breath, completely exhale through the mouth. Keeping your mouth closed, continue to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. With each inhale, you're taking in fresh energy, fresh breath to the body. And with each exhale, we're releasing any tension, any pain, anything you no longer need from the body, from the mind. Nice. Just stay here and observe your breath. And slowly begin to deepen the breath here. Wiggling the toes and fingers. Reach your hands up and back. Give yourself a full body stretch. Hands reaching back. And slowly walk your feet in towards you. Draw your knees in towards your chest. Holding on to the knees, rock from side to side. Just massaging your lower back. And slowly we'll find ourselves up into a seated position. With our legs crossed, clasp your fingers. Nice. Close your eyes. Just focus on your breath. Whenever you're ready, bring your hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful time. Namaste. Namaste.